So, and light reflecting cell, we can say that.
Silpa,
Yes, sir.
this is not the correct answer. I am asking you to differentiate between the chloroplast, and there are two terminologies, chloroplast and chromatophore. ठीक है? You have already studied Silpa, you have already studied algae. Algae, you have already studied algae in BSc Botany Part 1. You have also studied in semester 1, you have studied the algae, fungi, brio. I think that these two terms, like you must be well acquainted with. I hope I have an expectation from you that you might be quite aware with the term chromatophore, and I think that it is not in your memory. You should know that the chlorophyll molecule. You know that the chlorophyll molecule, the chlorophyll, which is the green pigment required for the process of photosynthesis. This chlorophyll pigment is of 5 types. There are 5 types of the chlorophyll, which include chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, chlorophyll D, chlorophyll E. So there are 5 types of the chlorophyll pigment. Chlorophyll A, B, C, D, and E. And in case of bacterial photosynthesis, you know that there are some bacteria which are also autotrophic and prepare their own food material by the process of photosynthesis and bacterial photosynthesis. So in case of bacterial cell, some special chlorophyll molecules are present, which are known as bacteriochlorophyll A and bacteriochlorophyll B. You will have to use the term bacteriochlorophyll A and bacteriochlorophyll B for such chlorophyll which are found in the photosynthesizing or photosynthetic bacteria, but you cannot use these two terms in general plant. So in case of the plants, there are 5 classes of the 5 types of the chlorophyll molecule: chlorophyll A, B, C, D, and E. And you should also know that the chlorophyll A is the principal pigment. When you will study the process of I think that you have already studied photosynthesis in BSc Botany Part. Photosynthesis, you have studied the light reaction. Take a photochemical act, you have studied pigment system 1 and pigment system 2, you have already studied. You have also studied the Z scheme. So this is this chlorophyll antenna molecule and the chlorophyll. There are so many different types of chlorophyll, and other photosynthetic pigments are also available. So the chlorophyll A molecule, chlorophyll A acts as the principal pigment. Okay? And it is without chlorophyll A, there is no question of any photosynthesis. So this chlorophyll A is very, very important. Beside this chlorophyll A, 4 other types of chlorophyll molecules are also present, which include chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, chlorophyll D, and chlorophyll E. But in case of when both, in such cases where both the chlorophyll A and B are present together, agar both chlorophyll A and present together in a particular plastid, you will have to use the term chloroplast. Such plastid which contains both the chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, the term for that type of plastid will be the chloroplast. And if the chlorophyll A will be present in all cases, because it is a principal pigment. But in place of chlorophyll B, there may be presence of chlorophyll C, or there may be presence of chlorophyll D, or there may be presence of chlorophyll E. So when such plastid in which the along with the chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C is present. If along with chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D is present. If chlorophyll along with chlorophyll A, chlorophyll E is present. So suppose that if a plastid is having chlorophyll A and C, can you use the term chloroplast? No. Have to use the term chromatophore. Such plastid where the chlorophyll A is not accompanied by the chlorophyll B, and it is in place of chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C or chlorophyll D or chlorophyll E is present. It is better to use the term chromatophore for such plastid. So I think, Silpa, I think that this point is clear to you. When you have to use the term chloroplast and when you have to use the term chromatophore. So when the plastid having both the chlorophyll and A and B are known as chloroplast, and the plastid having chlorophyll A, but chlorophyll B is absent, and in place of B some other chlorophyll molecule like C, D or E are present, E is present, then the term chromatophore is used. And you know that various types of chromatophores are found in algae. Algae में green algae. You know that green algae which belong to the class Chlorophyceae, and you have already studied the example of green life cycle of green algae like the Chlamydomonas. You have studied Volvox. You have studied the Eudorhina and Pandorhina. All these things are the green algae. And in case of green algae, the chloroplasts are present, not chromatophore. But in other algae like the Phaeophyceae, like the red algae or brown algae or yellow algae, chlorophyll A are present everywhere, but the chlorophyll B is replaced with other type of chlorophyll, either chlorophyll C or D or E. So in case of the other algae, like the members of class Phaeophyceae, like the member of class Rhodophyceae, like the member of Xanthophyceae, you cannot use the term chloroplast, where you will have to use the term chromatophore there. ठीक है? तो इस तरह से I think that you are now quite clear with I think that the term chromatophore, you have known the differences between the term chloroplast and chromatophore. Yes? Am I clear to you, Silpa?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Now, yes, now let us come to the today's topic, which we have to discuss, the function of chloroplast. Function of chloroplast, you know, this is very simple. You have already studied all these things in BSc Partard and 11th and 12th. Chloroplast, the main function of chloroplast is that to execute the function of photosynthesis. Chloroplast, the main function kya? Chloroplast acts as the site of photosynthesis. This photosynthesis is completed in two phases. You have already studied light reactions or for light phase or light reaction, and the second one is the dark reaction or dark phase. And you know that this light phase of the photosynthesis is also known as the photochemical act. Photochemical act or primary events in the photosynthesis. Primary event. There are different terminology. You can use the light reaction. You can use the term light phase. You can use the term photochemical act. You can use the term primary event in the photosynthesis. So this is the light reaction. And what happens in case, you know, that and in case of the dark reaction, which is also known as the dark reaction or Kelvin cycle, C3 cycle, Kelvin cycle. Silpa, since you have already studied, what are the differences between the light reaction and dark reaction? What is the main event? What is the what is the benefit of the light reaction, and which process takes place in the dark reaction? There are two. This photosynthesis is completed in two broad phases: light phase and dark phase. Let me know. I just want to know from you what does happen in the light phase and what does happen in the dark phase. Very easy.
Light reaction is the first stage of photosynthesis, which traps light energy in order to produce ATP and NADPH. Am I wrong?
Yes, you are right.
Okay.
Let me know, Silpa. These two chemicals, ATP and NADPH2, are formed. You are right. There is a special term for these two. Is it in your memory? Assimilatory power. Assimilatory power.
Assimilatory power. Yes, sir. I had studied in class 12.
This is the assimilatory power. You are you have made right approach to define to answer the question, and you are 100% correct that during the process of light reaction, the ATP and NADPH2 are synthesized, and these two chemicals are collectively known as the assimilatory power. And what happens in the dark reaction?
Dark reaction, we can say that it's a phase of it's a second phase of photosynthesis which produces glucose by using the energy from ATP and NADPH produced by light.
Produced during the light phase. You are correct. You are correct, Silpa. I am very much happy to, and I am very much satisfied. When I asked the question, when the students give positive response, correct answer, I becomes excited. Then I feel that the we teachers what we are teaching, it is going in right direction and the students are being benefited. And if we teacher teach a lot on the, even in the corona call on the online, and if I ask question and you do not respond correctly, then we get very much worried that our work is not being rewarded. So in this way, if the student also work hard along with the teacher, then the purpose is solved. And if I am delivering a very informative lecture and the students are not sincere to listen, or not following the lectures, and they are not asking question, then we think that our best effort is not being used by the student. So the Silpa, I am satisfied with you. Your answer, yes, you are 100% correct. That during the process of the light reactions of the photosynthesis, the radiant energy, you can say, like you have said that the ATP and NADP, but it will be better to say like this. Your answer should be, if I ask you question, what what happens in the light reaction and what is the light reaction? Your answer should be in this way. The light, in case of during the light reaction of the photosynthesis, the radiant energy of sun, the radiant energy is converted into the chemical energy, and that chemical energy is present in the form of ATP and NADPH2, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide for hydrogen phosphate, and you know that this NADPH2 also give rise to the same ATP. Take, so in this way, this chemical radiant energy, you must say that during the light reaction and during the photochemical act, the radiant energy of sun is converted into the chemical energy, and that chemical energy is present in the form of the ATP and NADPH2, which are collectively known as the assimilatory power. And with the use of this chemical energy or assimilatory power, the carbon dioxide is reduced into the carbohydrate, which is the glucose, during the dark phase of the photosynthesis, through a cycle which is known as the Calvin cycle. Because this cycle, C3 cycle, this cycle was given by the Melvin Kelvin. You know, they were very important person who described the mechanism of the carbon dioxide fixation in the process of photosynthesis. So these are the two different phases. And